welcome back to my channel. So I have a hopefully quick unboxing. I ordered some vintage earrings that I want to share, and then I got my favorite hand cream. So I'm going to show you the hand cream first, just in case anyone needs hand cream. I love L'Occitane. It's like my favorite thing. And this hand cream is the absolute best. It's hand cream with a serum. It's called the Immortal Carit Pro Youth Serum in Cream. So it's like a serum and a cream. It's so amazing for your skin. So in case anybody's looking for great hand cream, I recommend this. Okay, now the earrings. So I have a very, very small collection of Thelma Deutsch vintage earrings. I have maybe 3 pairs, 4 pairs. And I've unboxed, I think I unboxed one of them on this channel. And I signed up for, notifications on eBay when a new pair of Thelma Deutsch earrings is listed. And I saw these, and unbeknownst to me, the seller was somebody that I know. So it was just so funny. But anyway, I ended up buying them, and they are a little bit different than the Thelma Deutsch style I usually get. My other ones are very large hoop dangly earrings, but these aren't a hoop. These are more of a chandelier style, but I just thought the color combination was very pretty. It reminds me more of Kenneth J. than Thelma Deutsch, to be honest. So, packaged very nicely. Let's see if I can open them. And I have not looked at them. So this is a true unboxing. I did just open the boxes up because I didn't want to waste time doing that. Okay. Ooh. Oh, beautiful. Very pretty. Let's see. Gorgeous. Thelma Deutsch produced jewelry in the 80s and the first half of the 90s. And her earrings were huge, very oversized, very sparkly, very colorful. I feel like maybe, her work isn't quite as known as, say, someone like Kenneth J. But certainly beautiful, certainly, can rival anything if, KJL. And I just absolutely love them. So this is a little departure from the style I usually get, but I thought they were beautiful. And there's the other one. Now there were a few crystals missing, which I'm gonna have to replace them, but because I knew the seller, she gave me a good price, which I appreciate, so it was worth it. So there. This is the other one. And there we go. Gorgeous, right? I don't know when I'm going to be able to wear them because I don't get that dressed up these days, but I'll find an occasion. And look, almost sort of go with the color of my shirt, but just so incredibly pretty. So if you're looking for beautiful vintage earrings, if you like large, colorful earrings, definitely check out Thelma Deutsch on eBay and any other vintage site, because you might find something really pretty. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.